Hey, how's dark Saki? Hasn't it that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like that. So go on, flip him around.
You can't really do it with both.
Clash him.
Hang on, Andy.
Hey, I can record it.
Don't put this on Facebook.
I won't put it on Facebook.
That's just mine. Go on, Andy. Yeah, let's see if I can do something. Okay, put both of them on. Okay. So if that one is like that, and that, so it's gonna be.
It's harder to do both of them like that because you've got to like counteract yourself all the time.
Yeah, sure.
Ooh. No. Ready? Oh! Right, up on legs. Underneath.
Oh, are you filming it still?
Oh yeah, it's over there.
I want to film.
Oh come on, it's too late now, we've already started. Yeah, stop it.